guys, this is CJ Shara and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is not gonna be the usual vlog that that we usually do. Travel vlog, family vlog, or some kind of other vlogs. This video is special for me because we get to be more personal than the life of a software engineer. So right now I'm gonna share to you my other side of me. My other side of me. So I'm here at my room here in the house of my aunt, and here in still in a good city. And and today is December 29, 2018, and today is the 15th death anniversary of my mama. So December 29, 2003, I was still 9 years old, and I was still innocent, and I still don't know what to do. I still don't know what to do in life, and I still don't know what to expect or what to my thoughts are just still like a kid. I was just a boy living full with dreams, and all I care is just my studies and my friends. So that day I could still remember the face of my mama. It started early morning that she was really ill. Well, she was already diagnosed with cancer, which the doctor said that she's gonna last until March, but could also possibly on December. So that didn't sink into myself still, because I was still a kid, and I didn't realize that cancer was really brutal. December came, we had a Merry Christmas. That 24 and 25, we didn't know that 29, that the day will come for that moment that she's gonna pass. So I was just a kid there. I was still innocent, and all I did was just play, just wanna eat food, just wanna take care of my studies. And then I could still remember the time that she was already really ill, that she think that she's gonna pass. So we called our family, and everyone went to our house, and everyone was praying, and I was at the kitchen trying to I think I was just trying to distract myself from the harsh reality. And then my aunt called me, and then they asked me to get inside the room, and just wanna see my mama, and do something like that. And then that's it. She took her last breath, and she took last glimpse of the earth, and that's it. So after that, everything changed for me, not including myself as a human being. I was, after that circumstance, after that, I was able to mature enough, mature early. 9 years old is a really young stage, and it's going into adolescent stage. And luckily I wasn't weak enough to be addicted to drugs or to alcohol or to whatever vices out there. Luckily I got myself concentrated to studies, and I got myself concentrated to just strive to be better, and to be to go up again. It was another situation that is really challenging. So after 15 years, I'm here. I become someone that's someone from a nobody, and the challenges was really hard. Luckily I got my family, I got my relatives, I got my grandmother, I got my aunts, I got my uncles, I got my cousins to help me. But myself, it was really hard, because especially when I see families that they got their kids, and they got their mother, they got their father, and they were able to jam, and they were able to enjoy what life has to offer with their family. It makes me envious sometimes, but as I mature enough, I get to, you know, to cope up and think of it that this is the reality. I need to stand up. I need to stand up, and I need to be independent, and I need to go up. So unlike before, that, you know, life without a mother is difficult because nobody will guide you. No one will be your light, and we just need to be. You need to be the light, and you need to be your guide. So you don't have anyone to ask for love, or you don't have anyone to ask for care. And I couldn't depend to my cousins and to my aunts because they have their own family as well. So it's just that you, your brother, your sister, and yourself. So it's really hard. I was just lucky that I got my grandmother in Cebu and my aunt that supported me throughout the journey to surpass the challenges from being a young kid, and being a teenager, getting away from vices and getting away from, you know, from the worst. And I'm really thankful for them, because without them I wouldn't be here right now. So yeah, and I hope you guys, if you still have your mother, please do show them your love, your affection, your care. Give them gifts, make them happy, because you don't know, who knows their time. Well, everybody, we don't know our time yet, so let's just do our best and keep it going, you know, keep it coming. So keep it going. Let's live our life to the fullest, and yeah. So say thank you, say I love you to them, and so that you won't regret a thing if they pass. Simba ko palayo lang. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment down your thoughts below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and share peace and love. Bye bye.